Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Miki. As you can see guys, Lema is not here today. I'm with my colleagues from work. We came for hiking and you're not gonna believe this, we are about to do 25k guys. 25k, can you imagine that? So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you do subscribe, like and comment. So let's get right into it. Let's see how everything went guys. So how are you guys feeling so far?
We outside.
Are you still okay? Are you still breathing well? Are you still breathing? It's also right guys. I still good. I still look good. Yo guys, gonna sing Kaale.
Don't worry, we got you.
I know you got me. Are you ready?
Yes!
Guys, are you ready to swim?
Yes!
Guys, are you ready to swim? Yo,
Don't hesitate.
Let me.
Make sure you are prepared. Make sure you wear sunscreen. Make
Yeah.
sure you have a lot of water.
Yes.
Because it's too hot.
Yes.
Sunglasses.
And a sun
Cap. Don't
Yes.
forget your cap.
So my friend, what advice can you give someone who wanna come hiking?
It's so fun. It's refreshing.
Yes.
It's awesome. You should try it.
Yes. Otelia, what advice can you give someone who wants to come for hiking?
Guys, I'm short of words.
You should have went. Are you
Short of
tired?
words. No, I'm not tired.
Yeah.
I'm still fresh.
She's the only one who's fit,
Still
guys.
fresh, as you can see.
Yeah, she's the only one who's fit. Charisma, what advice can you give someone who
Okay,
wants
guys,
to
come prepared. Bring water, bring energy drink, bring it all, man.
Bring it all. Yes.
Bring it all.
Portia and Naomi, what advice can you give someone who wants to come hiking?
Loads of snacks and
Yeah.
a lot of water. You need to hydrate.
Yes.
Combos must
Naomi?
communicate. Make
Yeah.
sure that your battery is full. Guys.
Definitely. So what's the advice that you can give someone who wanna come for hiking?
That you must not try. It is not a child's play.
It's not for
I am tired. It is not for old people like us.
Yeah, it's not for kids. Okay, so what advice can you give Tando?
Don't do it. I feel good.
Nah. Okay, look at this. Look where we're walking. Look where we're walking, guys. It's like look where we're walking. Oh, I can't.
A set of a horror movie.
Yo, bruh. Yo, sizothola wrong 10 lana.
Freddy Krueger.
Yo. Guys, feeling now?
Energy levels are like a 5. Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm a 5.
You still okay? Still okay? It's a 50-50.
Energy level, it's 4.
4, yeah. Not bad.
I'll tell you. Mine is also on 0. Like, yo, guys, this is not Pep and Place. Yo, this is not Pep and Place. I mean, look at it. Oh my gosh, look at those shoes. I ngeke baba. Whew, guys,
It's too much.
I see a hamba shem.
Too much. And it looks like you're not green really bang.
Yeah, because a lot of people went for. Yeah. Oh. Guys, are you sure we're still gonna come back to the same spot?
Just 5 minutes cut run every time.
What?
It was gonna be more, ne?
Yeah, it was gonna be more. Yo.
It still continues.
Yes.
I begin to. I begin to.